50% of you said to read through and prep the manuscript, which I recommend doing anyway, because even if it's self-help, no matter what it is, read through it first, because there may be words in there that you need help with pronunciation, perhaps, especially if you're getting into fiction, right? There could be, if it's like a fantasy, there could be made up names, made up places, and you don't know how to pronounce them. You don't want to go by what you think, right? You want to get the author involved. So you want to make sure that you read through the book and take note of questions that you will have for the author. Also, and I bring this up a lot, but you also want to read through the book because you don't want to realize that the main character that you've been narrating for the last 10 chapters, now in chapter 11, has a Scottish accent. So you want to read through the book first.